Feeling lost in a sea of data and need to get your hands on a Qlik Sense app to explore? Let's dive right into importing the QVF file into your Qlik Sense Desktop. First things first, make sure Qlik Sense Desktop is up and running on your computer. What you're seeing now is called the Hub, which is your main starting point. Look for the Add New button, usually located in the top right corner of the Hub interface. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from the options presented. Select Upload App. This tells Qlik Sense that you want to bring in an existing QVF file. This action will open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the location on your computer where you've saved your QVF file, the Qlik Sense application file you want to import. Once you've found your QVF file, single-click on it to select it, and then click the Open button. Qlik Sense Desktop will now import the QVF file. After the import is complete, you'll see the new Qlik Sense application tile appear in your Hub. To start using the application, simply click on the newly imported app tile. Qlik Sense will open the application, allowing you to explore the data, visualizations, and stories within, and that's all there is to it. You are now able to start working with your Qlik Sense application.